3, 2, 1, open your lids!
What? I got the actual fruit this time? I wanted chocolate.
At least you got the actual fruit. That's actually pretty good. Try yours, Lily.
Okay.
Oh, it's sour. Huh? Sour? Really?
Yeah, I don't want any more.
Then I guess it's time for the next round. Ready, set, go!
Whoa, look at these gems. Ow. Ooh, I'm gonna be so rich.
Wow, it's so pretty. So good. All done.
Ready to move on then?
Yeah.
All right, next round is a nerd war. Whoever wins gets both foods.
You're going down.
No way. I'm gonna win this.
Yes, I win. So what food do I get?
All right, you get Oreos.
Ooh, I love cookies.
Ooh, that looks so good. Please, Lily, can I have just one cookie?
Sure, you can have one cookie. One cookie.
Thanks, Lily. Can we move on to the next round? I want to eat something for real this time.
All right, let's move on to the next round then.
Lily already got to pick. Please, can I pick this time?
Okay, I guess there's no problem with that. Ready, set, lift!
Whoa, I got the chocolate.
What? Chocolate? Can I have that one instead?
Hey, no takebacks, Becca.
Fine.
Ooh, I'll try mine first. They're so good. How are yours, Becca?
I'll try them right now.
So, is it good?
It's not bad, but I don't really like coconut.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I think chocolate would have been better.
All right, let's move on to the final round. All right, last one, let's go!
Ooh, strawberries are the best!
Chocolate strawberries look okay, but it can't beat the real thing.
Best strawberries ever!
So, are you guys done eating chocolate now?
I'm so full.
Yeah, I think I'm done with chocolate for today.
Then I better not see you eating my chocolates ever again.
Alright, fine.